Hi everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Next Gen Tech Vibes with your host, Kuya Jake. And today's episode, we're diving into the latest breakthroughs in technology, from AI innovations to the future of biotechnology. Get ready to explore the cutting-edge trends that are shaping our world. Let's get started. And here, let's talk about social impact of IT on society. A social implication of emerging technologies, AI, automation, biotechnology. In social implication of emerging technologies, there are three examples. First is the biotechnology and genetic engineering. Second is AI in healthcare. The third is automation in agriculture. First, let's talk about biotechnology and genetic engineering. Biotechnology is the use of biological systems, organisms, or derivatives to develop or create products and technologies for practical purpose. It spans various industries, including agriculture, medicine, and environmental science. Genetic engineering is a specific branch of biotechnology that involves the direct manipulation of an organism, DNA, to alter its characteristics using techniques like CRISPR. Scientists can insert, delete, or modify genes to achieve desired traits. And this is the example. For example, the use of IT to analyze and interpret biological data such as DNA sequences. This example is under of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is usa na siya ka interdisciplinary field na nag-combine sa biology, computer science, and mathematics aron sa pag-analyze o pag-interpret sa biological data. Ang mga tools sama si BLAST or Basic Local Alignment Search Tool makatabang sa mga scientists na makitaan ang similarities o differences sa mga genes between organisms magamit sa genetic engineering sama sa paghimo og GMO nga mga tanom o personalized na tambal. And let's proceed sa ikaduha nga examples sa social impact is ang AI in healthcare. AI in healthcare is an AI algorithms are being used to assist medical professionals in diagnosing disease, analyzing medical images, and predicting patient outcomes. The social implications include improved healthcare outcomes, but also concerns about privacy, and data security, and potential bias in diagnosing based on historical data. Muna siya ang naay ng mga decision making, part of the decision making when it comes to develop this AI in healthcare. Ngayon i-consider. And another example sa AI in healthcare, ang AI integrated electronic health records. Some of the healthcare unit in the other countries is pahigayon na ng AI integrated electronic health records. Nag-analyze niya sa mga medical records sa pasyente aron ma-predict ang risk sa mga conditions sa mga pasyente sama sa diabetes o sakit sa kasing-kasing. And one of the rules sa IT is an infrastructure na nag-ensure sila sa siguradong storage o pag-access sa health data, while ang AI is nag-analyze o naghatag ng mga insights alang sa mga mas paspas nga nag-diagnosis o personalized nga pag-atiman, especially sa mga pasyente, to ensure no, ang health data is automatic siya ma-access. That's part sa rule sa IT when it comes sa AI in healthcare. Also, sa second part is automation in agriculture. Automation and AI are being used in agriculture to increase crop yields and reduce labor costs. While this can help address food scarcity, it also means fewer job opportunities for farm workers and affects rural communities dependent on agriculture. One of the examples of automation sa agriculture or agricultura is ang part sa IT is integration. Mao ang precision farming gamit ang drones o IoT or Internet of Things like sensors. Kini nga mga technology is nagkuha og real-time na datos no, or data bahin sa moisture sa yuta, temperature o kahimtang sa tanom, allowing that those farmers sa pag-create o remote monitoring to lead sa ilang farm. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Next Gen Tech Vibes. I hope you enjoy diving into the latest videos in technology and innovation with me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy, everyone. Bye-bye.